Hello students, good morning to you. Today is my 32nd online video class of class 9 geography of chapter 3, that is drainage. In the previous class I told you about the Himalayan rivers. Now today I will explain about the peninsular rivers. See, peninsular rivers, that is flow in the south of our country, in the peninsular regions. Now listen carefully. The main water divide in the peninsula India is formed by the Western Ghats, which runs from north to south close to the western coast. Most of the major rivers of the peninsular, such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, flow eastwards and drain into the Bay of Bengal. But there is only two rivers, that is the Narmada and Tapi, which flow in the Arabian Sea in the Western Ghat. There are numerous small streams flowing west of the Western Ghat. The Narmada and Tapi are only the long rivers which flow west and make the estuaries. The drainage basin of the peninsular rivers are comparatively small in size. Clear? It means their length is also short than the Himalayan rivers, and they are also small in size in length. The journey is also short, and they are seasonal rivers. Now first of all, from the peninsular rivers, I will tell you about the Narmada basin. See, this Narmada river, it rises in the Amarkantak hills in the Madhya Pradesh. It flows towards the west in a rift valley formed due to faulting. On its way to sea, the Narmada creates many picturesque location. कहने का अर्थ है कि जब ये नदी बहती है नर्मदा, तो अपने रास्ते में चलते वक्त बहुत से सौंदर्यता बिखेरती हुई चलती है, जैसे कि द मार्बल रॉक्स नियर द जबलपुर वेयर द नर्मदा रिवर फ्लोज थ्रू अ डीप जॉर्ज एंड धुआंधार फॉल्स वेयर द रिवर प्लंजेस. एक जलप्रपात होता है इस नदी के द्वारा, जिसको हम लोग धुआंधार फॉल्स नाम से जानते हैं. ओवर द स्टीप रॉक्स आर सम ऑफ द नोटेबल वंस. ये दृश्य देखने योग्य होती है. ऐसा प्रतीत होता है जब ये धुआंधार फॉल्स के रूप में जब गिरती है, तो रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर की जो मुख है उसकी भांति पानी का फ्लो देखने को मिलता है. एक नोटेबल चीज है ये. All the tributaries of the Narmada are very short, and most of this joins the main stream at right angles. इसकी जो सहायक नदियां हैं नर्मदा की, ये अधिकतर जो सहायक नदियां हैं ये नर्मदा में राइट एंगल फॉर्म में जाके मिलती है. जिससे राइट एंगल बनता है उस रूप में आकर के ये नर्मदा से ज्वाइन करती है. इसकी ट्राइब्यूटरीज, इसकी सहायक नदियां किस फॉर्म में? राइट एंगल फॉर्म में. The Narmada basin covers parts of the MP and Gujarat. ये दो राज्यों से होकर गुजरती है, मध्य प्रदेश और गुजरात. उसके बाद ये इसका ड्रेन कहाँ होता है? अरेबियन सी में. दे फॉल इनटू द अरेबियन सी. Now next river is of the Western Ghat, that drain to the Western Ghat, that is the Tapi basin. Now one thing remember students, there are only two rivers that drain into the Arabian Sea. Now only two rivers of the peninsular rivers that drain into the Arabian Sea from the Western Ghat. That is the Narmada and Tapi. Now see about the Tapi basin. The Tapi rises in the Satpura ranges in the Betul district of Madhya Pradesh. It also flows in a rift valley parallel to the Narmada. ये जहाँ से निकलती हैं दोनों एक समांतर रूप में एक दूसरे के साथ में बहते रहते हैं. They flows parallelly to the Narmada, but it is much shorter in length. Okay, this Tapi, the length of the Tapi river is shorter than the Narmada. It covers the part of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. The coastal plains between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea are very narrow. Hence, the central rivers are short. The main west flowing rivers are Sabarmati, Mahi, see here, its tributaries. I mean to say the tributaries of these Tapi rivers are the Sabarmati, Mahi, Bharatpuj and Periyar. Now you can find these rivers in your book, in the physical maps given in your book, where the rivers are flows and these are tributaries of Tapi basin. Okay students, now tomorrow I will tell you about the other rivers of the peninsular rivers which flow in the Eastern Ghat. Okay, thank you.